Welcome everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete TikTok videos in 2022. We'll start off by opening up our TikTok app on our phone. This works on both Android and iOS, so just follow the steps I'm taking. Now, once you've opened it and you are on your homepage, you want to go over to your profile by going and clicking the profile icon in the bottom right of your screen, which will get you to your profile. What you now want to do is, if you don't see your videos, you might be on liked or your private videos. So you want to go to the 6 horizontal lines on the left here, which will show you all your videos. You can then click on the video you want to delete, which will then prompt it to play. Now, let's say we'll do this one so you can see better. Now, what you can do is click the 3 dots just below the comment one. So this one here, just above the music disk, which will open us up the send to, and then you can see share to and these grayish icons below that. So you want to scroll to the left on these grayish icons, which will then reveal the delete button on the furthest right. Click that. And as you can see, it asks you delete question mark. Then you can click delete to delete your TikTok video, or click cancel if you don't want to delete it. And you have successfully deleted your TikTok video. I hope this video could help you out. If it did, please leave a like. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below and subscribe. I'll see you next one. Bye.